Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be letting the animals out again. So let's get into this. Good morning geese. Sorry there's a cut in the video, but yeah. Yeah, so it's a beautiful day on the farm. Just let these guys out. Right, let's get their food ready. Damn it, I've left the ferret food. The 5th episode of doing this, but I'm bad. Right, let's fill these. Good morning, famous hen. So you are a cock. No, he's not attacking me. Oh no, he's a cock. What's this stuff I'm never missing? Let's feed these bins up. Bin. Oh, some R-rated stuff. I mean M-rated. Hello. Yay. Hello everybody. Wi-Fi is all fed. Mr. Cockerel's at it. Today we're going to be doing something very different. So I'm going to be filming from here. I'm not going to be showing you anything over there or anything over there. I'm going to be filming right here. Right here. So this is the last bit you'll see me do. And then last bit you'll just see me wandering around. So let's get into this. just filling the bags up. Maybe I'll be able to film better. No. There's a lot of dust on my phone. Right. I'll set up a time lapse. I'll see you in the next couple. So then, here's my bag, and I finished over there now. So all them guys are fed. So, yeah. So everybody's happy. I'll show you through here. So you don't think I've done anything. Right. Look at you guys. These geese just get in the way of everything. But over here, none of them are out. But I can see them. They're in there. Can't hear them though. I can hear them. Shame I could have showed them, heard them. But they're alright, So, it's just a change in the video, guys. We've uploaded 2 of the same videos now. Do you know what, guys? I've been thinking, should we just switch our content up to just farming and just like stunts? Honest, I just called the channel that and just did some fake shit. That's all this channel I made it for. Stuff for you. Oh dear. Why is there, on this farm there's always 2 individuals without water? Like, everywhere else. Here, full. Then, full. It's just two of them on the farm who think they can get away with this. We want to take that off now because I learnt from yesterday. These guys try to pull this off. They do. For a safety feature, I'm going to take it off. I might switch them around actually, put the spring on their side. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Right, so here's my hose. I'm going to fill these bad boys up. And then after that, I ain't showed you my budgies yet. I'll do a little end. I'll screenshot a photo at the end of this video because today I'm going to be doing some editing. I'm going to have to edit this video. Because you know, the cutscenes I've done. This is like the last scene I'm taking. This is where you see me doing this. Right, this is a bit full. So this will probably last them like all day. That will. So, put you down there. This actually looks not bad content. I like this sort of content. This right, but I want something crazy to happen. That's the whole point of this. But no old man's gonna subscribe to this account, is he? He's going to say, oh, crazy stunts don't do this sort of stuff. I'm out. But then he looks in the thing and says, Cockerel wants to bite me and all that. No one has found this channel. Yeah, surprisingly, even though I've uploaded a lot of videos, I've uploaded daily content. I'm probably one of the most reliable people to do that. Just hire me, I'll do it for you. Where can I put my phone? You can just rest on the ground for a minute. Why, figure out this bloody water bottle keeps slipping off. These guys, I always leave the ferret food in the house, so I'm going to come back later to do these guys, so yeah. Right, good morning guinea pigs. Yeah, fine, he's cleaning out. I might do a video on that. That'll probably be today. That'll probably be Wednesday or something that happens. The cockerel still goes for me. It's interesting because you got a gracious cockerel after you while you're trying to sweep out all their mess. Why is this in here? I'm asking no questions. Oh, your pillow, but you haven't, night. There you go, mate. Yummy, some yummy, tummy, shummy, tummy food. Jesus Christ. This is how we do it. These guys are all done. Right, last task. Geese. I swear, these geese are dipstick. These geese. I don't know what their names are, but these geese are fucking rebels. Yeah, they break it. They just knock it. I had them a long time ago. These geese are about 3 years old or something now. There. So these geese have a story. These geese have been here 3 years. So 3 years ago on this farm, that building wasn't there. There was a building over there. Before, that chicken base there, which you can see, that wasn't there before. That might be a new construction building. But before that, in like 2016, there was a chicken house there. And in 2000, later on, we constructed this building and this whole run. Before the bins were here, this was built a couple of months ago or something. Now, I built this, it's not very good, but these guys were having children, but they didn't succeed, but they wouldn't let these chickens go in the geese house. But, oh, we got a lady in here still. These guys aren't pregnant or anything. Hello. Your hen. Hello. Oh, she's mad. What's the matter? You want to get off unit? No, she isn't. She's not backing down. Do not peck me, though. Move. Sorry. Go on. Look at her. She's not backing down, mate. Go that way. Get out. Get out of here. Jeez. Jeez Wheeze. Right, I'm gonna set these down here while I go and get the rest. I know people say, oh, there's something there. You guys might see stuff. Just let me know in the video. There's obviously animals behind there. The ducks like to hang around in that back bit for some reason. I don't know why. Why you guys do this? You tip the food over. They all do these leghorns. They tip the food so. But you have a food bin. It's obviously not. You're having leghorns. Make sure it's leghorn proof. So you're gonna need it. Well, they used to mess these guys, mate. These guys like. We have a couple of brown hens on the farm. Some of these are rescue hens. So this girl here, she laid this egg. One of the brown ones did. So we got that one. We got that one. And then we got 3 brown ones. Now there is a story about this. We used to have loads of these, but they all died of old age, sadly. They all died of old age. They were very, very old. These guys, there's 3 young ones in that lot we got from the farm from down the road. I know it sounds all bullshit, but it's all true. So now we can take these back to the farm. And we could do the other tinkering jobs I've planned today. So might as well put this bit into the video, this bit here, guys. So we got some ferret food. I'm gonna go and feed the ferrets now. Hey, they're coming out now. Hang on. Down there you can just see the hen poking its head out. I had to prove everything on YouTube because you don't know these days. There could be some environment, animal people, and they, you know, get me done for no reason. Right. I've never done this job on camera. But the way I do it, I just chuck about 3 handfuls in there, that'll last. But for these guys, I have to get them. We had to buy ferret food all the time. I'll put you guys up here for a minute. Right, so this is the only cage we've got to do now. These done, these are done. Everything's done on the farm. So, yeah. Hopefully, I